Okay, I'm starting. All right. See all these?
Yep.
Oh, what are they?
I see all the mulch and all the stuff. I think those are pears. I don't know.
Yeah, these are the pears.
Oh yeah, they're pears.
You want to know why they fell off? Do you know why they fell off?
Because birds were cutting them off?
No. So, because of the time of year that we're in, these need water. So when they don't have water, they shed the things that take water. And they have a whole bunch of these pears, so they drop their leaves.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's very important that we water
Our
our
plants.
plants. That's
Yeah,
right.
now it's time to get back to playing soccer.
Oh, you're going to play soccer now? Okay. As we said before, water is life. Being here in North Carolina, while we do get a lot of rain down here, we are not immune to droughts. So right now, we are in a severe drought. That means only on Tuesdays are we allowed to water our lawn with our sprinklers. All handheld watering devices like hoses and stuff we're allowed to do every day. What I do is I'll just give these guys, because I'm going to do this every day, I'm going to water on the outside skirts of it, and I'm going to count to 30. And after 30, it's time to move on to the next one. Now, having mulch down helps retain moisture. Now, because today is May the 4th, it's Monday, I am not watering our dragon fruit. Our dragon fruit are cactus. They're cacti. So, as a succulent, they don't need to be watered as much. Now, we also want to make sure that we get all the other ones that need, like our blueberry bushes. We want to get, the potatoes. We want to get the passion fruit because those are just starting to grow. We want to get our newly planted raspberry bush. Make sure we get all the little vines in the back, like our pumpkins that we want to do for the kids later this year. You just want to get everything. And you want to have a good fruit crop, you got to water. And you got to keep it watered. Doesn't matter how busy you get, right? Water comes first. After you water, you can go do whatever you want. Hey, it's not that big a deal. You spend 10 minutes out of your day just to water, and everything will be fine.